Hi, my name is Mauvezin. I'm a researcher at EDBale, a research center focused on cancer research in Barcelona, Spain. I'm an expert in cell biology, more specifically on autophagy and lysosome biology. I'm currently interested in understanding the function of autophagy and lysosome-dependent degradation in mitosis. The technology developed by Nanolife is of great interest for my project, as I could follow cell division for several generations without interferences or laser toxicity, and acquire 3D images with high resolution. We have recently characterized a novel biomarker for the detection of chromosomal instability, the toroidal nucleus, and taking advantage of Nanolife technology, I plan to define what is the fate of the cells presenting this phenotype to develop new therapeutic strategies for patients diagnosed with cancer. Thank you.